Railways eyes cement-style freight policy overhaul for the auto and steel sector and is planning of rolling it out as a uniform freight regime for the auto and steel sectors. Now, this initiative aims to bring long-term policy stability and cost predictability. The ministry also understands that the freight policy simplification will help to lift rail's modal revenue share as well. Sameer Dikshit is here with all the details.
The Railway Ministry is looking to replicate the cement freight policy for the auto as well as for the steel sector. Recently, we have seen that Railways has introduced a new freight policy for the cement sector, where the freight rate has been rationalized to just 90 paisa per tonnage per kilometer. So a uniformity has been provided, and similar kind of uniformity Railway is looking to bring for the auto as well as for the steel sector. Currently, if you see, when it comes to the freight charges for the auto sector, it is basically the wagons and the distance travel. So wagon multiplied by distance, that is the formula that is applicable. For the steel sector, it is basically based on the tonnage and the distance travel. But now Railways is looking to bring a uniform freight rate for the auto sector. For example, it might be less than rupees 5 per kilometer, and it will be for the wagons likely a full rake multiplied by less than rupees 5 per kilometer. That could be the formula that Railway is looking at. That is very much it will be rationalized for the auto sector, and basically it will be largely for a rake that is traveling to X number of distance. Similarly, for the steel sector, Railway is looking to bring a uniform rate that will be largely based upon gross tonnage per kilometer. So that kind of formula is Railway is looking at. Currently, if you see in terms of the percentage for the financial year 23-24, the auto sector freight movement through railways was just around 24 to 25%. For example, if total 50 lakh car has been transported, just 12 to 13 lakh was transported through railways. But now railways looking to increase the percentage in coming years. Larger vision that railways is having to have a 20-30 million ton of freight movement by year 2030, and for the same, the freight policy is being rationalized.
Right, thank you, Sameer, for that update. But now we're on to another ET Now exclusive. The government will